How much money did you make last year? Now let me tell you how much your bank made. Off your account, off your overdrafts, off the debt they sold you, off the balance you forgot to watch. All of it legal. They wrote the rules that way. This is snekonomy. Today we're exposing exactly how banks feed off your paycheck and how you starve them. Let's go. Most people think banks just hold your money. That's the story they want you to believe. Here's reality. You deposit $2,000. They loan it out at 7, 8, sometimes 20% interest. They keep the profit. They give you back 0.01%. Some of you are earning 4 cents a month and calling it a savings account. Then the fees start. Monthly maintenance fees, $12 to $15 just to exist. That's $180 a year, quietly leaving your account. Wrong ATM? Fee, dip below minimum balance. Fee, overdraft by $3. $35 fee on a $3 mistake. That's a 1.166% penalty. Do the math. They're not holding your money. They're using it and charging you rent to keep it there. Credit cards and loans. This is where it gets ugly. The average credit card interest rate right now is above 20%. If you carry a $5,000 balance paying minimums, you will pay back over $9,000 before it's done. They nearly doubled their money on you. And they packaged it with cashback and travel points so you feel like you're winning. You're not winning. You're funding their earnings report. Loans work the same way. Interest front loads in the early years. Most of what you pay in year one goes straight to them, barely touching what you actually owe by design. This isn't accidental. It's architecture. Here's the part that should make you genuinely angry. Every single thing I just told you, it's disclosed. It's in the 47-page terms and conditions you clicked agree on when you were just happy to have an account. Arbitration clauses mean if they wrong you, you can't take them to open court. You go to a private process they have influence over. Overdraft protection. They framed it as a favor. Covered your transaction. Didn't lead with a $35 fee every time they helped you. And you're spending data. They know what you buy, when, and how much you have. That data gets packaged and used. You never see a cent of that value. You are the product. The account is just the door. So what do you actually do? 1, move your everyday banking. Credit unions are member-owned, not profit-driven. High-yield savings accounts at places like SoFi or Ally are paying 4 to 5% APY right now. Your bank is giving you 0.01%. That gap is costing you money every single month. 2, audit your fees right now. Open your bank app, search the word fee in your transactions, add it up. Whatever that number is, that's what they took from you quietly this year. If you're carrying credit card debt, look into 0% intro APR balance transfer cards. Move the balance, kill the interest, attack the principal. 4, know your credit score. Your score is your leverage. Good score means better rates, better terms, more options. Unknown score means they set the rules and you just agree. The bank isn't evil. It's a business, but it's a business that profits most when you're not paying attention. So the most powerful thing you can do is exactly what you just did. Learn how the system works. That's snekonomy. We go deeper every week. Subscribe and drop in the comments how much in fees you found when you ran that audit. I want to see the real numbers. See you in the next one.